Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I got another couple of Craft Buddy Crystal Art Canvasses in the sale. These were, I think about £5 or £6 off, about 25–30% off I got. And they are Craft Buddy Crystal Art, but they came from Create and Craft TV. And I got quite a few at the same time, and I thought you might like to see these that I've got as well. So let's have a look at the first one. I've actually ordered these as presents for people, so I do need to get them unboxed and then kitted up and then get started on them. Oh dear, I have to do these before the end of April, and we're now at the end of January, and yes, it seems a long way off, but then I don't know, when you start getting on with, I can't get into this, come on, get in. When you start getting doing other things, the time just seems to fly. So this one is, oh, if it'll come out of the box, heck, that one decided it wanted to hang on to that little bit of cardboard, right. This one is Balloon Flight, hot air balloons it's called, and I've got a friend who really likes hot air balloons, so I thought I would do this one. Lovely crystal art box with the handle, so you can carry it around if you're going anywhere with it. But they do make nice presents, these, and I am impressed with them. Craft Buddy's packaging, I do think it's great. You know, it just looks real professional and a real gift when you suddenly get a box like that, doesn't it? Makes you just feel special. Or is that just me? Okay, so they all come in the boxes, and then they come in a cellophane wrapper. This is our little kit. It is only a small one, fortunately, as I have to get it done, and it's a 30 by 30. Just give it a quick measure while it's still in its packet. They are usually true to size. So yep, 30 centimetres that way, which is 12 inches, and 30 centimetres that way, which is 12 inches. And they come pre-framed on the little hardboard frame, and then like the pine, as you can see, it's all stretched onto your canvas is all stretched onto your frame. Here I've just got plastic bags everywhere at the moment. Okay, you get your drills in the back there, you get your lovely little branded toolkit, and you get your little leaflet telling you your contents of your pack if you want to check those off. And it also tells you in several different languages how to diamond paint. So if you've never done it before, or you're buying it for a friend, then that's brilliant. You can even send it abroad to a friend. Do people still have pen pals? I used to have a pen pal. Okay, so yeah, it's a nice solid frame to work on. So I think if you get one that's not got the board behind it, trying to diamond paint would be quite difficult, because this would become very stretchy as you're putting your diamonds on. This is a full drill, so it means that all of the canvas is covered, apart from this like one little drill, what's that, about 1/10 of a centimetre just around the edge, so that you're not catching it when you're diamond painting. It just finishes the edge off. So nice clear drill field. It doesn't look like there's any that are blurry or you can't read there, but really, really good. Even the little teeny tiny ones at the back there, they're all diamond painted. And we've even got one here and one going off the edge. I do like it when you get a picture, it just makes it look a bit more lifelike when you've got something going off the edge rather than them all just stuck in the middle. It's a shame the picture doesn't carry on around the edge. That would have just been an extra little thing to do, but the edges, oh, apart from the bottom, are blank. If you've got it on the wall, people are going to be able to see that close up, and particularly children are likely to say, oh, what's that underneath there? You know what kids are like, they'll always point out things that you think, don't say that. Or is that just ours? Okay, your key code's on the back, and they're all nice letters there, and capital letters and small letters. There's no numbers or symbols or anything. 26 colours, and we do have the DMC codes on there as well. And Craft Buddy are all officially licensed. Let's have a look at the toolkit. And this one seems to be like their fairly standard new toolkit now that they're putting everything. A nice toolkit. Okay. You usually have around about 20 little grip seal bags. Whether you get more because this is more than 20 colours, I'm not sure. I've not counted them and I'm not going to count them. We've got two little pen grips there, a nice purpley colour. And your nice classy white drill pens with these like foiled crystal art on there. I do think that's classic. I do like that purple on the white. It does look really good. 2 3 places and 2 single places, so you could share this with a friend, or if you're heavy-handed, sometimes these brass tips can get bent out of shape slightly and do become a little bit difficult to use. Depends on how you do your diamond painting. So you've got a spare one just in case, or if one drops down the settee, or you lose one, or you know, it's one of those things that you're crafting and you put something down, go back for it 2 seconds later and it's gone, and you're like, well, I've just had that, where has it gone? Some days I can spend as much time looking for my drill pen as I can actually diamond painting. Okay, you also get your little flat bottom boat with a spout, and your little white boat, same as the green boats, but they're in a white colour instead, all to matching with their branding. And then a little pot of 2 little round discs of wax with the little coating on the top. Just peel the plastic off before you use it. She says trying to get the plastic up there. There it is. And again, it's branded. So yeah, a nice little toolkit. I do like the fact that they've got their own branding on things now. So lovely bright colours this. And I did think getting it for somebody as a present, unless they've got a completely sort of like pale pastel colour room, it probably will fit in. But I mean, even if it was pale pastels, you've still, you know, that pop of colour might look okay. They can always put it in the toilet anyway, can't they? You know, the room with the toilet in. I don't mean actually in the toilet bowl. Alright, let's have a look at these drills and see what we've got. Lovely colours. The drills only come with the letter to match the key code on the canvas and the canvas number. They don't actually have DMC codes on the drills, so you would have to use the one that's on the back of the canvas, and that does just cut off. They do put like a little pair of scissors on it for you and a little dotted line indicating to cut that off so you can see it. I tend to keep that with my drills and then just refer back to it if I need it. Okay, so let's have a look at these. So we have a pair of sort of an off pearly white and an aqua blue, and oh, that's a nice green. Oh, and another green. Oh, these greens are gorgeous. Very fresh looking colours. I'm definitely on a colour hit at the moment, don't you think? Everything is coming really nice bright colours. I do like my colours. And we've got a green and a sky blue and a maroony colour, matches the packets, that, and another blue, and your fawns and browns, and your lemony colours down to your oranges. Oh, look at those all together. That's one thing I do like about Craft Buddy. They do tend to do 2 or 3 colours, say like in a sky or whatever, so you get that depth of your colours, and it just seems to make them pop that little bit. Makes it look a bit more 3D when your colours are all like matched through. Oh, that's like nearly a hot pink, but not quite. That's an orangey red, a nice bright pink, another green, purple. Oh, please, we've got purple in this, and some more peachy pinkies, and a rusty colour, and another couple of greens. So those colours are really nice in this one. Just say, I do think it will match with most places, but yeah, if you're going to put it in a kitchen or a bathroom, it will need sealing. So because I'm giving it as a present and I don't know where they're going to put it, I probably will seal this one before I pass it over to them. Right, let me just get these put away and we'll have a look at the next one. Right. Right, so this one is a little bit different. It's a little bit Christmassy, but it could be up all year round. It's a mummy and a baby donkey. Oh, look. Oh, so sweet. It's in a lovely Craft Buddy box again. Again, this is a present for somebody, and it is a 30 by 30, so fingers crossed I will be able to get this one done in time. Okay. We're fairly standard on the packaging. You get your lovely gift box. You get all your accessories and everything put in the back in a plastic bag, so we'll get that out. Although I'm not keen on plastic bags, I am sometimes keen on plastic bags, because I do think this sealed in this packet, if it did get wet at all, it just keeps it that little bit safer. Well, that's my thoughts on it. A little bit more muted colours on this, but we will have a look through. But it is donkeys, so they are a darker colour. I'm not going to go through the toolkit again. It's the same toolkit, same branded toolkit with your bags, pens, grips, your wax and your two boats. So yeah, it's a very good toolkit. Very good as a step up from your basics. Very good, like that. Okay, same leaflet, again telling you how to diamond paint. You could always learn a new language while you're diamond painting, because it's in several languages. We've got the key code on the back again. This one is 25 colours, and we have DMC codes on the back, and it's all, yeah, looks like it's all capital and small letters, so that looks pretty good to me. Just have a look. We've got a B, we've got R's and P's. Ooh, R and P may give me a little bit of trouble. I have to see where they are, because they're a similar colour. I know one is darker than the other, but they're both white writing on them, and I have in the past had trouble with R's and P's. And I'm looking. E and F are different colours, so that's good. Yeah, so I think we should be okay. I mean, it is only a little canvas, but look at that. Is that not cute or what? Just look at the look of love in those eyes for each other. Oh, I think this is possibly supposed to be Bethlehem in the background with the Star of David, is it, above there? Just looking down. But as I say, you could leave this up all year round. You'd have to look at it really closely to see that it's got the Christmas connotations on there. I do think mainly it is just two very cute little donkeys all in the stable. Oh, that is gorgeous. Again, it's a full drill, so the whole thing is covered apart from like the wall one drill depth. I can't speak today. My words are just not coming out properly. Okay, it is a 30 by 30, so yep, that is 30 centimetres, 12 inches by 30 centimetres, 12 inches. And again, pre-framed, already on the hardboard with the nice wood frame around the edges. So let's have a quick look at the drill. This is a more muted colour palette, but I think after doing all the bright coloured ones I've had recently, I think this might be quite nice to do back to animals again. Okay, although it's smashing the specials next month, for goodness me. Oh, these are all a bit stuck together. Have a look. So, oh, what's gone on there then? Right, so the packets just have the symbol to match up to the key code and the canvas number on. They don't have the DMC codes on the packets. That looks like we've just got a bit of overprinting on the packet there. At first I thought, oh no, I've got loads of maroon coloured drills in there, but no, that's just printing. That's maybe what's got stuck, maybe still being a bit warm when they folded them up in the packets. So we've got 3 different greys there, oh, 4 different greys. I'm hoping that's just the packet scratched in the background. Yeah, it is. Oh, I don't know though. packet's scratched a bit on that one, but it looks like there's little bits of trash in there as well. So we'll have to see when we get to that one. I know the packet says the burgundy on the packet's quite scratched, but there are quite a few bits in there. Okay. And then we've got your orange, and it looks like the printing's worked itself out now on your greens there, with sort of browny grey colour, and a nice lemony colour. That must be for the straw. Okay, then we've got another grey, and your fawns and browns. And that's a nice colour. That's definitely caramel chocolate. Back on sweets again. And oh, these are stuck together. Oh dear. Yeah, they've definitely had a printing issue. Oh gosh, look. Oh no. Oh no. Hopefully I can still read the symbols. I think I can. They do tend to put them all in order as well. So if one of them is a bit squishy and I can't read it, then I should be okay. I should know that it's the next one along, if not too many of them are done. I'll have a look at the front in a minute. That's not good. As I say, I think the packets have been too hot and the writing has stuck to itself. So blues, and another blue. Yeah, it's taken quite a bit of the printing off there. You can see my hand through there. Ooh. Brown, and some more browns. Very dark brown. Very dark brown, almost black, and that one is a dark grey, a pale lemony colour, and that's just a plain B5200 white, and then just some little standard silver gems there. Ooh, so let's have a look at these. So I can just about read A and Z, I think that is, Y, K, X, V, U, O, T, S, K, yeah, I can still read, although the colours come off. It looks as though the letters, oh, that one's, I think that's an N, yeah, M, N. So say, as long as, because they're usually in order and they're quite often in alphabetical order as well, these, you can more or less still make that, but that's not very good. I will just contact them and let them know about that. Well, it's just not, doesn't affect the diamond painting, but you know, it's not good that the packets have got a little bit, well, the writing's come off. As I say, I can only think that because it's the packets that have stuck to one another, that it's just been too hot when they've packed them away and it's just got stuck. Oh dear. Not to worry, I will still be able to do the picture and I can still read what diamonds are what, so that's okay. Right, so we have had 2 little pictures in this haul. Whoops. We have had 2 donkeys and a large amount of balloons. Okay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.